You are willing to study, but due to many distractions around you, you're not able to do it. That's okay. I am here to help you out. Okay. First, let me introduce myself. I am Kirtana. I am a teacher basically. So here I am here to help you out how to concentrate on your studies and how to overcome your distractions. So first of all, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please click on the like button. Please watch till the end for the clarification how to concentrate on studies and how to overcome distractions. You may have seen this in many videos, but really this is gonna impact you when you see my video. So come, let's start on. So, today I'm going to tell you about how to concentrate on studies, as you have already seen in the thumbnail and you have clicked on it. So, children, see, there are many distractions around you. First, you have to make your mind that you have to study, and there are many people who are hoping that something you're gonna do, like my son is gonna do something or my daughter is gonna do something, and you have to keep it up. Correct? Maybe not son or daughter or your brother or sister, like not your parents, maybe your brother or sister or the person whom you love the most is waiting for you. Maybe that is your teacher also. Correct? Some of you will be having a good relationship with your teacher, and maybe that teacher is going to wait, that is going to wait that, okay, my student is going to do something. Correct? When you have that good relationship with your teacher, you may feel that teacher is your homie. So for that, at least you have to do something. But you are having the will, but you're not able to concentrate. So first thing, what you have to do is small goals. See, yeah, you have to set your long-term goal, but before that, your short-term goals, that is your small goals, should be clear. What you're gonna do. Like for example, okay, today in school itself, you may plan, okay, today I will finish this homeworks, this assignments, I'll read this chapter. But once you come home, that may not turn up, correct? So for that, set your goal. Without completing that day's goal, you're not gonna sleep. That mindset. First, your mind should be fixed. Then itself you can gonna do something. Correct. So first, fix your goals. Yes, this is my goal. Today I'm gonna finish this work. Make daily planners, set timers, then work accordingly. So that 1 week or 1 month, if you follow these goals, you may really follow it for your lifelong, even after your studies, because this setting up your goals have really helped me, and it will help you also. Next, remove distractions. The main distraction now is your social media. Correct? Yeah, see, today also you're catching your mobile in your hand and seeing my video. Yeah, you're seeing it related to studies itself. But obviously, see, if you're seeing it related to studies or how to overcome these things, it's okay, fine. But after this, you may not end it. You may go to shorts or go to reels and just end up scrolling without completing your work, and later you have to rush up to finish one thing. So there you're gonna lose a lot of time, children. So first thing is remove distractions, especially your phone. Okay, so keep it somewhere. At least when you're studying, keep it somewhere or give it to someone who doesn't give you till you complete your work. So in that way, you can do that. Okay, just give it to someone. Tell them strictly that don't give it to me, even if some emergency is there, whatever it is, you handle it. I will finish this work for this time and I'll come back. Then only I'll take my phone. So this way, it will really help you, especially your mothers you give, so that they will not give you until you finish your work. Next, make notes. See, just by hearting will not help you. Reading it 100 times is better than writing it one time without seeing. Correct? So just write, make notes, make own notes, and really it is gonna help you a lot. Okay, try doing it. Whatever subject you're studying, just make a short notes. And next time when you're preparing for the exam, you study your own notes and see changes in your marks, children. It will really help you. And that notes you can give it to your juniors and say, See, this is the way I studied." And you can even become a motivational leader later. Next. And yeah, this is the mistake many of us does, including me. Like for example, I was weak in maths, and every time I used to just sit with maths. And when I came to college, I was feeling biology is very difficult, and every time I used to sit with biology. And really, that will ruin other subject marks. See, thing is, if you're studying in any class, percentage matters, and if you have to get a good percentage, all the six subjects or all the five subject matters. Correct. So give equal importance to each subject, even if it is half an hour. Give importance to each subject. Study each subject every day. Even if you know the topic, revise, revise, revise. Because first time you may not notice something, but second time when you study, you will notice something, and that may be important, and that comes to exam. So this way, you don't stick to one subject. Okay, just keep on changing it. Like set the timer. As I told, keep a timer along with you, and not the phone timer. Okay, keep some timer along with you. Half an hour, half an hour, half an hour. You can divide your subjects, and please see, if you have six subjects, half an hour, half an hour, half an hour, 3 hours. Sit 3 hours, hold on yourself. 6 to 9 should be your studies time. If you're going to some tuitions, it's okay. After you come or before you go, revise something. At least finish two subjects and go to tuitions, or come back and finish two subjects and go to tuition. Come sleep, go to bed. I think you all are understanding. So what I'm trying to tell you is, don't stick to one subject. Okay, all subjects are equal because our main goal is percentage. We have to hit that percentage. Yeah. Next, health is studies. So you may have heard this proverb, health is wealth. This is for the people who are working, because they work, 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 work. They don't care about their health, and later whatever they have earned will go to hospital. So here, health is studies. You may work, 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 like means you may study, study, study without keeping your health on track, without taking care of your health, and later you'll end up in hospital during exam time. This is going to happen. Really, I've seen many of them who are not concentrating on their health, only on studies, and finally during the exam day, where they have to be present, they will not be there because pressure was there on my mind, on the body, everything. Proper nutrition was not given to them, and later they end up in bed on the in the hospital. So first thing what I tell you is, children, you are important. Your health is important. Whenever you're not feeling like studying, that's okay. Don't study. Okay, but when you're really willing to study, keep away the distractions and study. So first thing is, drink water, a lot of water. Sometimes there are people who get up in the early morning and they may feel sleepy. That time, the best remedy, what my teacher used to tell us, drink a cup of hot water. That will just run away. Your sleep will just run away. Okay, and other than that, sleep for 7 to 8 hours, because your sleep is very important, children. And as you are in the age of adolescence, eat proper nutritious food, balanced diet. Don't avoid junk foods. Okay, just avoid junk foods, because your body is also growing, your mind is growing, and when you're growing, obviously you will have many of the tensions. So eat balanced diet, include rice, roti, vegetables, dals, pulses, fruits, meat, egg, all these things in your diet. Okay, so that your health is also maintained, your studies is also maintained. That is why I meant it, health is studies. Next, don't compare yourselves to anyone. See, you are unique. If someone is having the ability to score 100%, you may have the ability to dance well, and that person cannot beat you. Someone can top in the school, you are having the ability to top everyone in singing. So you are unique. Just because, okay, you are spending 4 hours, 5 hours in studies, but you're not getting that same marks like the person who is studying before exam. It's okay. It's that their mind capacity, but you are trying. One day or the other day, you're going to get results. Understood? So don't compare yourself. And if any parents are watching this also, please don't compare your children with anyone. The children are gifted by God, and each child is a gift. So please don't compare anyone. I bet you your children are gonna do magics in the society. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell. These are just 7 to 8 points which I wanted to tell you about how to concentrate on studies. Each point are very easy to concentrate. Just try for a week and you will see a massive change in yourself. First thing is, first is your health. Okay, I think you all have understood. And at last, I just want to tell success does not come by how many hours you spend in studies, it comes on how you concentrate. Concentrate now, and your future self, yourself that is in future, will thank you a lot. Okay, thank you, children. Keep subscribing, keep watching videos, share it to your friends who are in the same page or struggling so that this video will be helpful. Thank you. See you all soon.